guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be telling you how I reuse my old canvases. So let's get into it. I'm starting by sanding the canvas to get rid of any paint texture and cleaning off everything with a clean cloth. Make sure there are no dust particles left on the canvas. Next step is to mix any paints that you do not use much. If you're an artist, I bet most of the times you start a painting but you get bored of the process and do not want to finish it. But canvases are not that cheap to be just thrown away. Here I am mixing more than 2 solid colors, but make sure it's not too dark because you won't want it to be visible after the gesso. The white paint is a must because it's the basic solid color and it will add thickness to your paint and it will cover everything on the canvas. Spread the paint evenly and cover the entire canvas with a large paintbrush. Add water to smooth out firmly. I have smoothly covered everything on the canvas and now I'm letting it dry for a couple of hours. As you can see, my canvas is a bit damaged. So first I'll be filling this space with a layer of gesso. This is a homemade gesso. I have already made a video on how to make it. I will attach the link or you can find it in the description box. Smoothing it out with a card sheet. You can either leave it for a couple of hours or you can use your hair dryer to dry it. Next we'll be applying another layer of the same paint that we have previously used in the canvas. Don't forget the sides of the canvas because you don't want it to look dirty. Applying another layer of gesso to finish the canvas. I added too much water in the gesso and it went too thin. So I had to thicken it again and then I used it on the entire canvas. Don't worry if the canvas is not covered properly because we have to add another layer. Now this canvas is ready to be painted on again. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please copy the link, it helps so much.